In this video, I'll show you how to add or replace audio in a YouTube video, which is edit video YouTube after upload. Click on your profile picture and select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. In the left-hand menu, click on Content to see your uploaded video. Find the videos you want to edit, then click on its title on the pencil icon. Click on Editor in the left-hand menu, and then click on Audio from the editing options at the top. Browse through the available music tracks and select the one that you want to add, and adjust the audio track's position and duration in your video. After you're done, click Save to apply the changes. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if this was helpful, and I will see you on the next video.